think is the fittest actor in the industry?
Oh, you guys have such good questions.
Actor.
Without a doubt.
Say it.
Without a doubt, now she's also paused.
No, I'm trying to be politically correct.
No.
Okay, Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
Great.
Akshay Kumar, because his fitness is inbuilt. Like, he's fit. He doesn't work towards a role. He's just fit. For me, he's the fittest actor in Bollywood.
Honestly, I feel like it has helped me in many ways. Obviously, number one being, of course, Sophie is very happy with the way I'm looking. Thank you, Sophie.
She looks amazing. I think Alia's, I have to say this, because Alia started a few months ago in front of us. The change is incredible.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Not at all. Just a tad bit.
Well, I think the most important thing for me is to have a partner with everything that I want to achieve in the gym. So whether it's a role for a film or something that we want to achieve, I think Yasmin's always right there next to me, driving me and pushing me as if it was something she herself wanted to achieve. Even though eventually in the end, I'm the one who's going to be, you know, up there on film.
Getting paid.
No. I'm your
bucks.
friend. I'm trying to say nice things. No, but I think Yasmin has always helped me achieve my results and my goals in terms of however I wanted to look for a role or for films, whether it was Dhoom 3 or Sheila Ki Jawani. And I think she's helped me no matter what time of the day it is, middle of the night, we have to do abs. So she's always been there for me, and she's a fantastic trainer.
See, I feel nowadays there are characters and we are actually trying to fit into a character of, so for example, for just looking at my roles only, for Urta Punjab, I had to lose a lot of weight because I was playing a particular character. For Shandar, I had to fit into a bikini and look desirable as a woman because I'm a girl, or as a lady, I would say so, not woman, but I don't really feel like you have to look, I feel it becomes boring to look a particular way the whole time. You have to change it up. That's why I feel it's important to create your own look when it comes to a character. You also have to be fortunate enough to get the different characters that you're playing. But people get bored seeing you the same way. Right. Which is what I was saying earlier as well, that even, for example, Katrina, you see all her songs, whether it's Chikni, Sheila or Dhoom, she looks different in each song. She's still hot and she's still fit, but she's still different. So I'll give, you know, so I think that is something that I hope to achieve in life if I get the opportunity, yes.
I think accordingly, Yasmin has always changed that plan, whether it's Pilates or functional training, and kind of, you know, just slightly altered the way we eat, but pretty much trying to follow a sensible way of eating and just do the things we all know that are good for us.
मेरा मंत्रा बस एक ही है कि यास्मिन को फॉलो करो और खाना ठीक से खाओ. But most important is you have to feed yourself, you have to give yourself the right nutrition, right rest. And what Yasmin always says, you have to feel internally happy. अभी जैसे मैं खुश हूँ यहाँ पे because I'm happy with the way it's going. ऐसे छड़े रहूँगी then what's the point of working out every day when you're going to look like, you know, sorry, whatever, death.
इन तीनों से सबसे easy मैं हूँ. Difficult ये तीन हैं. मगर जब ये जिम आते हैं और जब अपना एक्सरसाइज रूटीन शुरू करते हैं तो मुझे कोई डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं होती क्योंकि ये वही करते हैं जो इनको करना है क्योंकि उनको पता है कि जो भी वो कर रहे हैं वो उनकी खुद की बॉडी और मेंटल पीस के लिए है एंड दे गोइंग टू फील गुड टू लुक गुड. कटरीना की डिफ़िकल्टी है कि वो मुझे संडे को जिम बुलाती है वर्कआउट करने के लिए. अगर मैं 4 घंटे सोई हूँ 5 घंटे सोई हूँ कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. वो मेरा कटरीना मेरी प्रायोरिटी है तो कभी कभी तो वो डंबल मेरे सिर पे मैं मारने वाली होती हूँ क्योंकि बट आई एम देयर फॉर हर ऑलवेज. आलिया की डिफ़िकल्टी है कि वो जिम छोड़ना ही नहीं चाहती. उसका बस चले तो वो जिम में ही रह जाए क्योंकि उसको इतना मज़ा आता है.